Abi. I'm a graduate from NCI St. Paul. I am here to share my experience as a graduate from NCI. A couple of years ago, I was kind of looking to change my career. So even though I have some experience in technology, but I was lacking the hands-on experience, like to be a professional in the field. So I was searching on the internet to see a school where I can enroll to get those skills that I was lacking. I came across Koami School, Network Training Institute. I called him and he scheduled me for an appointment. When I came here to see him, he showed me their schedule, and now they kind of like go through their training. So I enrolled in the A+ class. I took the class. I was able to secure a job. I took the exam. I passed. What amazes me most is the mentorship that Koami offers to his students. He is very involved with all of us. The way he looks after the way he takes care of his students, like for them to achieve the purpose of coming here, it's really amazing. So after passing my A+ exam, I decided to give the CCNA a shot. I took the class also from Koami. Koami is very involved, you know, with the hands-on labs. He wants you to be successful. He cares about you, like mentally, education-wise, well-being. You know, if you are not able to come to the class, Koami, he will call you like, "Oh, are you running late? Where are you? Are you okay?" You know, he is very involved. So after taking the CCNA class, I took the exam also, and I passed very well. I'm so happy that I passed that exam. That's a very tough exam, but I'm so happy with Koami's mentorship, his involvement. I passed. I recommended Koami to a friend at work. He was like, "Oh, I don't think I can do technology." I'm like, "Why not give it a shot?" So I introduced him to Koami. He took A+ class with Koami also. He passed. He got a job. He's doing very well in the technology field. I'm so happy to be a graduate from Koami School. You know, I will recommend Koami to anybody who wants to venture into into the field. Koami School, it's if you're coming to a school, you're in a safe hand. You're in a safe hand. Thank you very much.